Manufacturers around the world are working hard to reduce production waste and faulty produced items. To minimize these problems and improve quality, machine vision is firmly established in the modern industry. However, machine vision can often be perceived as complex and time-consuming to commission and operate, even by experts. So, is there a stress-free way to solve these complex issues? With the new AI-powered Inspector83, it is easy to teach the vision sensor to find defects or perform sorting quickly and reliably by simply showing it examples. This makes quality control stress-free for beginners and experienced users alike. Industrial integration is a breeze with dual-port fieldbus and built-in export of customized PLC configurations for market-leading brands. Frequent product changes are made effortless with AI technology that can relearn with a simple press of a button when a new product design or label has been introduced. Unexpected defects such as contamination or debris are reliably detected by the powerful on-device AI, even at very high speeds. With integrated rule-based tools working side by side with AI tools, known specification like localization and measurements of the object can be verified. Inspector83, AI-powered quality control made stress-free.